Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Moskit CRM Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once your account is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you like to install and click on it. Here, click Install and allow an install. Next, refresh the page. Once the page is fully loaded, scroll down on your sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about this application. Up next is the tutorials tab, which contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Moskit CRM account online and click on this marketplace icon. Scroll down and click on Public API. From there, click on Generate API Key. Next, you fill in the required fields and you click Confirm. The API key has been generated. Click on this icon and on See API key, and then you copy. Head back to your account and paste it where required. Then you click on Complete Setup. The application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets or book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally, the changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next video.